Alright, we finished our head here, and we got our ears attached, and we have fun fur on the inside, and this fun fur for the top part of the head. There's the back part of the head. We have our levers back here for our ears. Got the levers for the ears. The string for the mouth. So now we want to put our hands and feet on the head. So we'll set this part aside for the moment. And we got the body we made. We put the arms on where they go. We got the legs. So what we have here is we have for the feet and for the hands. So we'll start with the hands. And I just roll this under a little bit. Stick this in for our hand. We'll staple this on. There's one hand on. Then we'll do for our feet. Stick this in here. See, there we have a hand and a foot done. So we're going to do the same to the other side, and then we'll be ready to get him dressed. Thanks for watching.